Okay, you're probably wondering what I am doing right now. I am making a potion of um damage. So I got the potion of damage. So right now we're heading to the end island to test it out onto enderman. And this is a test. Let's see if it works. Now, killing a zombie there. So, I got a little distracted there. So, we're heading to the end island right now. But first we need to get to the spider island. Just getting distracted. I think that's the short way. Interest. It kind of gets lucky here, I'm sorry, but internet connections. I just got attacked by a silver fish. So we're going kill spider. Now we're getting close to the end portal. I got 5 resistance. I just had an inventory. I don't have very good inventory management. So here we are to the end island. If the people don't know, this is for low levels, like starting. Oh, that's my dog. So right here we have a little bit. So you see, this is the end island. I'm kind of doing this, so probably full server. Now there was an enderman about attacked me, but hope that guy saved me. So what you do is you take your splash potion of poison, and you find an enderman, and you splash on, and then you just run away. He will try to teleport, but he's just going to try to teleport, but it's going to bring him back because the poison prohibits him to teleport. So you'll have upper hand because he can't surprise you anymore. I just bring him to the steps and put him like this, and then you can just kill him. The poison should last for about 8 minutes. To speed this up, you want to hit it with any weapon you have. Now, I noticed I'm not hitting the enderman, but there we go. I got some hits on him. So now he's on low health, and I say this is the fast. Okay, so now I just locked the enderman into a spot where he can't move anywhere. You saw he was trying to teleport there. So you saw the poison. So you kind of see how he's trying to teleport everywhere. You kind of saw him teleporting onto the thing, but that prohibits him. So now you can just walk down, go to enderman, and you can hit him. And it's that easy. This is for not high level people. This is for beginners. If they want some ender pearls and they don't have armor or that kind of stuff, I recommend lapis armor. You see that a person just stole my thing, so I only have one. So we splash that. And go over here. The enderman's following me. So you go here. Now we're going to try to lock him in. So there we go. And he's locked in. and now you can just kill them. And it's that simple. Anybody can do this. You just need a poison potion. And to create one, all you need is aqua potion. That's very simple. You need a water bottle, then a spider eye, a nether wart, and after that you put spider eyes, and then I recommend glowstone, and then I like to use enchanted redstone, and then you need to put gunpowder to make it into a splash potion. So very quick, very awesome. I hope you like it. Now goodbye everyone.